In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to N8N. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what is N8N and why connect Outlook? So N8N is a powerful workflow automation tool that connects apps and services without the need to code. And Microsoft Outlook is a widely used email and calendar platform. Now, before we start, we need access to our Microsoft Outlook and also an N8N workspace, cloud or self-hosted. From here, go ahead and open up your workspace. So as you can see, I'm inside my workspace here and I'm signed into my account. Now, once we're signed into our account, we need to go ahead and click on Create Workflow. And then from here, we need to click on where it says Add First Step. And now we need to go ahead and click on where it says Search Nodes. Then from here, search for Microsoft Outlook. There it is there. Now we need to go ahead and connect your Microsoft Outlook account, so we can do it on the trigger or on an action. I'm just going to do it on a trigger here on Message Received. And now we're going to come to a new pop-up. From here, make sure we're in the Parameters tab, and then where it says Credentials to connect with, select Credential, click on Create New Credential. Then from here, we need to go ahead and connect my account. So click onto that button, and now a little window box or pop-up is going to appear, and then it's going to sign you in. If you're signed into your account, it should do it automatically. And from here, we just got to go ahead and accept. Now give that a few. There we go. So connection successful. This window will close automatically. If we come back here, it will say account connected. Then from here, just go ahead and click out of here. Now, once you've connected your account, you can go ahead and choose an Outlook action. So we can choose from available actions such as send emails, get emails, delete emails, get folders. So if I head back here, I'm going to come back here, and I can also change the name here where it says my workflow. I can call this Microsoft Outlook, for example. Then from here, if we click on the plus icon, it will say what happens next. So from here, we can click on any one of these little options. So we can choose an action in app, like so. And yeah, there's lots to do in here, but that is for another video.